We were in the market for a new carry-on type luggage for our cruises and quick trips, and we were glad Level 8 reached out to us to give an honest review of their Grace Expandable Carry-On.
Like Ryan said, Level 8 did send us this bag at no charge, but the only requirement was that we really give it some good tests and really give an honest review to y'all as well as to them as to what we thought about it.
Yep, so as always, we're going to get into it and let you know what we thought. So we've taken this bad boy on a few trips now, a couple quick trips to Orlando and a quick trip to Vegas. And let me tell you right now, it's held up and it's done well.
Now, a little bit about Level 8. They've been around since 2008. They have really great reviews on a lot of their products. And you can see they really put a lot of thought into the styling of their bags as well.
And they're also an award-winning company as well. They've won the Award of Design Excellence, a Red Dot Award, and they were even named Newsweek Reader Choice. So we're gonna tell you exactly what we loved about this bag. First of all, we love the 360 spinner wheels. I mean, look at this. I mean, we've taken this thing through the airport, through the parking lot, through hotel corridors and rooms and everything. And honestly, just look at how easily this spins. No matter which way you're carrying the bag, this way, front way, backwards. I mean, like, it's easy. Easy peasy.
That's the first thing I said to Ryan when we first took the bag out, when we took it out to Orlando for the first time. I said to him, wow, this thing actually, I mean, this feels really, really smooth. Yeah. And it's continued to be a very smooth roller. Very good as far as durability, as far as the wheels go.
Another feature that we really love about this carry-on is this front pocket right here. And this is really convenient for electronics and things you need to grab quickly. So it's got a pocket in here for your laptop, 15-inch MacBook fits in there. It's also got a little mini front pocket for an iPad if you need it. It's got two other front pockets in here and even a place for pens or markers.
And normally, like everyone else, we carry our electronics in our backpack, which is great, but sometimes when you're in that TSA line and you're trying to grab it out and you have everything meticulously packed in your backpack, it can really be tedious.
Yes.
This, honestly, the first time we had to go through TSA, so easy to just rip all the electronics out of there, put them on the conveyor belt, get through security, and when we were done, just put them right back in here. We didn't have to play the Jenga game, trying to figure out how to get our laptops and all of our electronics back in our backpacks. Now, one of the other features it has, too, is the built-in locking mechanism here, where it clicks into your lock as well. Another great thing, too, the expandable handle here has multiple levels as well. So that's really great, too. And it also makes a really great carry-on bag. Like Ryan said, not only is it TSA approved, it fits into all the, what do you call those? You know, the bag checkers where you put your bag in to make sure so you don't get told right as you're getting on the flight, hey, that's too big, you got to check it.
We also love the inside of this bag and the way that it's designed. On one side, you have room for all of your clothes, and the amount of space that this adds with the space that it expands here, I mean, it's quite a bit. So we love being able to include all of our clothes in here with this zipper and just make sure everything is separated. And then on the other side, you have the straps that click together to secure whatever items you have in here, toiletry, shoes. You've got another layer in between here with an extra zipper pouch for, you know, underwear or socks. And then you've got additional clips here to hold everything together. So honestly, it's a really smart design and it's really easy to pack a lot in here.
Yeah, I was surprised. Like I said, we took it on a 3-dayer out to Orlando. We were actually able to get all of our stuff in here comfortably. So it really cuts down too on having to take that extra bag with you.
Yeah, and the lining is really durable too. It's really easy to wipe off and clean.
Yeah, not only to Ryan's point is the inside, the lining really good, but again, just speaking to the styling of the bag, I mean, this is a great looking, the hard shell here, it's really durable, it's really stylish, looks modern. That's another feature that I really like about it as well.
Yeah, and it's really lightweight, so it's easy to, you know, pick up and put up into that overhead bin in the plane or just pick up and put in the car, and it's just so compact that it just fits nicely and snugly into so many spaces. And it doesn't take a lot of room in your hotel room either.
Now, Level 8 does offer free shipping on all of their bags. It will include all of the shipping information and everything in the description as well. The price point on these bags, I'm really, really surprised. I think this one retails for right around $150 to $160. Honest, fair review of this, absolutely worth the money.
Yes.
Again, we've taken it on 2 or 3 trips now already. It's been on an airplane, very durable, TSA approved, John and Ryan approved.
Yeah.
And don't forget, this is from their Grace Expandable line, and this is the 20-inch with that really neat, again, front pocket design for all of your electronics. Now make sure you check out Level 8's website for all of the bags that they carry, because they do have a really good wide variety of different style bags for everyone. I mean, equipment bags, overnight bags, they really do have a great variety. And again, great price point too on these bags.
Yeah.
So in all honesty, y'all, our fair review of this is definitely worth it. This would be something to invest your money into. Definitely check out Level 8 if you're in the market for a new carry-on bag, a new set of luggage. Again, our honest, unbiased opinion. Listen, if it was garbage and it really didn't hold up, we'd just tell you.
Yeah,
it really
we
wasn't
would.
worth it.
Yeah.
We do too much traveling to kind of play that. But this has really been I mean, this is a good little durable bag, y'all. So don't pass up on them. And I'm really glad that they reached out to us too. I'm glad that we had the opportunity to really review this, give it a chance. And yeah, I really could say we become fans and I would definitely make a purchase from them.
Yeah, thanks Level 8. We really appreciate it. If you've heard of Level 8 or wanted to try their products, let us know in the comments. If you have tried Level 8 or have any of their luggage or products, let us know in the comments as well. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe. It really helps our channel grow, and let us know what you thought of this review. Until next time, cheers.
Cheers.